Okay, so yesterday I stripped down the Landrover Series 2A gearbox off my old Landrover. The reason I did that was because when I changed the oil in it a couple of weeks ago, or I went to change the oil, after I drained the oil I found some synchro springs in the bottom of the sump. So I decided to take the box off and obviously put some more springs back in. I've done that now. The synchro springs are on there. You get 3 on the synchromesh. It only has synchromesh on 3rd and 4th on the 2A boxes. These are sprung metal and they push through and clip on either side. Unfortunately, it's quite a common problem. They do fall off with use. It happened on my other Land Rover as well. So that's done now. I checked all the gears and the teeth on the cogs and things like that while I was having a root around in there. They all seem fine. The bearings seem okay. The only problem I sort of could see was the sleeve on the thrust bearing. It was pretty manky. So I pressed the bearing off and stuck it in the lathe and gave it a clean up with some fine emery cloth. It's come up okay. I gave that a little rub round as well, but yeah, it's fine now. It goes in lovely. So that's all right. So yeah, it's just clean it all up and put it back together again. That's my job for today.